Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we will be learning how to download Canva application for your Android device. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and then open your Google Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Canva. Once you find this application, simply tap on the install button to download the app on your Android. Once the app is downloaded, tap on the open button to open Canva on your Android device just like that. So that's how you easily install Canva application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.